So in this video you're going to learn about the sense organ. So first one is the tongue. So tongue is the principal organ for our sense of taste. So when you eat something else, the first sense organ which senses taste is the tongue. And then we all know it is located in our floor of the mouth. And the tongue is composed of two muscles, intrinsic and extrinsic muscles. So as in their name, intrinsic is the inside muscle and eccentric is the outside muscle. So the inside muscle helps for the speech and everything like movement of a tongue, and eccentric muscles are attached to the surrounding organs and has the role in the chewing and swallowing the food. And then we are going to learn about the taste of each and every taste. Whatever you taste in the food is responsible in our tongue's taste buds. These taste buds have the specific function for each and every taste, like sweet, sour, salty, bitter, umami. So only the sweet can be tasted highly in the tip of the tongue. Other parts can also receive this taste, but this part is the highly responsible for the sweet. And sour is like, so when you eat and soya sauce or something else, you feel like a sour taste, right? That is mostly because of the lateral of your tongue. It is present on the lateral side. And then salty is present on the tip and the side of the tongue. And then bitter is just present backside of the tongue. And umami, which is meat taste, this is present on the pharynx. So next we can learn about the taste buds. So taste buds are the only thing which gives taste to your all the foods, which sense the taste of all the foods. So it is just a words body, and its diameter is 15 micron to 17 micron. And at the adults there are less taste bud when compared to children, and in old age people it's very less than compared to adults. So when you become old, your taste buds become less and less. At last you cannot feel any taste sensation because the degeneration of the taste buds. And then the location of taste buds. So taste buds are mostly present on the papillary region of your tongue. That is, when you show your tongue outside in the mirror, you can see a very papillary structure, like a very rough structure, right? This is what the taste bud is. So it is mostly present on the epiglottis, flatus and pharynx. In types of papillary, there are four types of papillary: filiform papillary, folliculate papillary, fungiform papillary and curriculate papillary. This filiform papillary is present on the top side of your tongue. So when you show your tongue to the just go to the mirror and just show your tongue to the mirror, so you can see very circular or conical shaped structure on the central line of your tongue, right? That is what filiform papillary. And then folliculate papillary is just like leaf like structure. The edges of the tongue consists of folliculate papillary. So it is degenerates at your childhood ages, and after that you cannot have any taste buds on that side. And next one is the funiform papillary. This funiform papillary is just present on the middle of your line. That is, mostly you can see a line, right? And after that line, the midline, you can see the funiform papillary. It is just in mushroom shaped. And next one is circulatory papillary. Circulatory papillary, it is present on the uh, above the line. That is the largest and the more number of taste buds are present in it. And next one is the structure of taste buds. The taste buds structures I have already informed, that's in a ovoid shape, and these taste buds are present in bundles in our tongue. They are mostly held for our taste receptors, and they consist taste receptor cells. So each taste buds contains about 40 cells, and the taste buds is divided into four type of cells, type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. So type 1 and type 4 is the supporting cells which supports the taste receptors, and type 3 is the taste receptor cell, and type 2 function is not known, and type 1, type 2, type 3 cells has the microvilli that opens to the epithelium. Each and every cells consists of epithelial cells surrounded by it, and only at the tip of the tongue you can taste the fluid in the oval cavity. And then type 3 is also called as taste receptor cells which have lifespan for 10 days alone. So some of the abnormalities in the taste buds can cause some disease like ageusia, hypogesia, taste blindness, dysphagia. Ageusia is a loss of taste sensation, and then hypogesia is the decrease in the taste sensation, and taste blindness, from the name itself we can understand taste is completely lost. And then digestia is the disturbance in the taste sensation. When you eat some food you can just taste it's hot spicy, but it's not hot spicy, but it's salty, so there will be a difference, right? So that is get disturbed in this disease. And the function of tongue is the gustatory function, that is taste sensation and maxillation, chewing, and helps to cleanse the teeth or clean the teeth, and then speaking purpose. If tongue is not moving, you cannot speak. And next one is the physiology of tasting. This is very important, you have to note down it. So physiology of tasting is when you keep a food on your tongue, the tastings will dissolve in the saliva. This will contact with the plasma membranes of our gastrate hair that is present on your epicortex, the throat line, and which will produce a receptor potential. This receptor potential will reach to your sensation impulse which is present in your medulla oblongata, and it will trigger there. So this will produce a sense of taste in your tongue. So remember, when you keep your food on your tongue, a taste-in will be produced. This taste-ins will be conduct with the plasma membrane of your gastrate hair, and which will produce receptor potential. This receptor potential will produce a sensory impulse and enters into your sensory area, which is the receptor area in your medulla oblongata. Taste center will be activated by the signal, and then it produce the sensor taste. So this is what the physiology of gestation. So I think you have clearly understand each and every topic in this video. See you in my next video. Tata, bye bye.